We came at the cafe to have some brunch, and I was thinking I should tell you more about the suit I just made. First of all, it was a very spontaneous decision because on the first night here we went out, and after we left the restaurant, a lady approached us to the market telling us that we should go check her store. Even though we were a little tipsy after some happy hour cocktails and I was not really in the mood for buying anything, we said that there's nothing to lose if we just take a look at this lady's shop. And because she insisted, we said, okay, but don't expect us to buy anything. We went through so many stalls and shops. The market was so big. It took us a long time to reach the shop. And it was almost closing time because a lot of shops were already closed. And the atmosphere was a bit odd, but we trusted this lady. Even though on the other side of the market a lot of shops were closed, here there were so many people working and the atmosphere was really interesting. Everyone was expecting me. They were really happy to see another potential client. The nice ladies immediately jumped on me with the catalog, showing me their previous work, and really I was blown away because they've done so many nice things. Even though they worked so hard to convince me, I still didn't know if I want to buy anything because, we are budget travelers, we're long-term travelers, so we don't have so many money and so much space in our luggage. But eventually Alex convinced me because he said that it would be a perfect souvenir and it would be nice to have something tailored for me from Vietnam. And a few minutes fast forward, they were measuring my sizes and we were looking on Pinterest to decide what suit am I making. The thing is, they convinced me because I saw the materials and they look very nice, and also I saw a lot of tourists there around, so I decided I should go for it. Since I didn't have anything in mind because remember, I didn't want to make anything, we had to search for inspiration and figure out what I'm going to get done. We looked on Pinterest, we looked on the catalogs, and eventually I figured I would want some pants and a top. After we agreed on the model, it was time to choose the color and the material, which again it was a bit difficult because of the big varieties that they had. In the meantime, Alex was looking on a catalog for something for him. He was really close to getting something for himself, but eventually we decided there is no space, Alex, in the backpack. But he agreed that these ladies do indeed a very, very good job. All the guys and the girls here in the pictures looked really, really nice. While we were setting all the details, the ladies took really good care of us. They turned on all the fans, put them on us, and even brought us cold water. They listened to everything that I requested, and they started to take my measures. I was pretty nervous and tired because we had a long day, but everything went super smooth and fast. And it was then time to agree on the price because we haven't discussed about it yet.
Good price.
1,100,000.
1,100,000. Please, Lily.
Yes.
To be good. To be best. To be number one. To be
Yes,
No
Unseen.
worry, we make for many customers.
yeah, really. I mean, we
What time you
we,
come tomorrow?
we should hear for YouTube video. We have
tomorrow.
serious stuff here.
Your name, your WhatsApp number, please.
In 17 hours, I went for the first fitting.
So Yasmin is back to try the new clothes. Let's see what is going to happen after 17 hours approximately.
The trouser first, the top coming now.
Okay.
You come inside the room, please.
So the trousers are ready. We cannot film inside, but see you later.
It was love at first sight with the pants. They made them perfect from the beginning. I loved how they fit.
Cái đoạn tục chứ hơi dữ im, chỗ nó dịp lên ơi. Chân bật xuống em.
first try and it's almost good.
Yeah, almost perfect.
The only thing that they needed to do more was to adjust the top to make it a bit shorter and to fit me better. But for my normal person eye, even the top was perfect. I mean, I was not expecting the suit to fit so well after just a few hours.
Some final adjustments to be made here.
Con có gã lưng này lên hả? Mùa sa ngán nhiều hơn lên, hay mùa trước lên nhưng mà mùa sa ngán nhiều hơn lên. Nè. Đó, đây nè. Nice. Có dây kéo trong đây đẹp quá hề. You take it off, we do now. What time you leaving?
We are not.
We are not leaving. We are not leaving. We stay tomorrow too. It's okay. No. Oh. Okay.
One more. You buy one.
And today, after a few hours, more than 24 hours, it is ready.
Morning. Final touch. Final round.
Sit down, please. We came to pick my suit from the tailor. I hope it's ready this time. I'm really excited. Let's see how it goes.
The ladies wanted everything to be perfect and to fit perfect, so we went upstairs to the tailors. We saw where they produce everything. It was a very nice experience to see all of the faces from behind that do the hard work. There were so many people there working uninterrupted. That's why they make everything so fast and so good.
Come outside, photo.
Okay.
Where you from?
Romania.
Romania.
Romania, yes.
Where about? Liver.
Europe.
Europe hả?
Europe.
Okay.
Chụp hình Út ơi.
Nice.
Back with the back like that. Yeah, over the shoulder of the. Look, take a look. You'll be on Instagram. You'll be all over internet.
Beautiful. Oh, this. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. So my suit is ready. It looks really, really nice, good quality. It was done in one day. I came for fittings 2 times, but it only took like a few minutes, so it was not a struggle or anything. And yeah, very, very nice. Would recommend. I'm really excited about it, and I think it was a good decision considering that looking on things to do in Hoi An, this came up first. So yeah, we checked this out. I paid for the suit 40 euros, which I think it's a good price considering it's a linen suit. But the price may vary depending on what model you're making, if you're choosing another material, the sizes. But I think it's somewhere around this, so you should have this in mind. The store is located in the market. I will leave you the Google link, and I would recommend you do this. Now let's see what we have here for brunch. An avocado toast with scrambled eggs. Looks so good. Here I have a lemonade, which is actually made with passion fruit, pineapple and mint. It's very refreshing. Here is a special coffee with cream, I don't know exactly, and those are vegan pastas made with cashew cream cheese and mushrooms. Also, the garden here is very beautiful and it's so peaceful here.